Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 1, subject maths, chapter number 6, addition and subtraction up to 20. And this is 6th session on this chapter. Today, let us solve the problems in revision exercises of this chapter. Question number 1. Solve the following. So here we have both addition and subtraction problems. Let us solve one by one. In question A, we have 12 plus 3. That is, we have to add 3 to 12. Let us add now. First, we add the digits at ones place. That is, we add 2 and 3. So, for adding and subtracting numbers, you may use those standing lines or your fingers as per your convenience. So here I will draw and explain how you can solve these problems. We have done many such problems in this chapter earlier, so we are familiar how to solve these problems. So the first number here is 2 in ones place, so I draw 2 standing lines. And the other number is 3. Let us draw 3 standing lines here. 1, 2, 3. Sum means putting the things together. So that means we will count all these standing lines now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 lines here. That means 2 plus 3 is 5. We write 5 in ones place here. Coming to the tens column, we have 1 here and there is no other digit here to be added, which should be treated as 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So we write 1 in tens place. So now in the solution or in the answer, we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones together is called the number 15. So when we add 12 and 3, we get 15 as answer, which is called as sum of 12 and 3. Now let us move to the second question, B. Here this is a subtraction problem. Since we have minus sign here, we have to subtract 3 from 15. So we subtract starting from ones column or ones place of these numbers. So here we have to subtract 3 from 5. So let me draw 5 lines here, standing lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to subtract 3. So I will strike out 3 lines. I will count from right and strike out 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So I will strike out these 3 lines. Now after striking out these 3 lines, so we are left with how many lines now? 1, 2. That means 5 minus 3 is 2. So we write 2 in ones place here. Here we don't have any digit in the second number at tens place. So we treat this as 0. So subtracting 0 from 1, we get 1. So 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place makes the number 12. That is the difference of 15 and 3 is 12, or 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now let us move to next question. C. Here we have 14 plus 4. We add the digit at ones place first. We have to add 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. You may draw lines if needed. So 4 plus 4 is 8. I write 8 in ones place here. And here we have 1 and no digit here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 18 is the sum of 14 and 4, which is sum because we have added these numbers. Since we have plus sign here, it indicates or it tells us that we have to add these two numbers. Coming to D, this is a subtraction problem. We have minus sign here. We have to subtract 3 from 16. So first we subtract 3 ones from 6 ones, or simply subtracting 3 from 6 we get 3. Here in tens place we subtract 0 from 1 and we get 1. Therefore 13 is the difference of 16 and 3. E. We have to add 4 to 15. We have plus sign here. 15 plus 4. So we begin addition from ones place here. So we add the digits 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Or when you add 4 to 5, you get 9 as sum. Here we add 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 19 is the sum of 15 and 4. Now let us move to the next question. F. Here we have to subtract 4 from 17. So we begin from ones place. Here we subtract 4 from 7. So on subtracting 4 from 7, you get 3. So let us write 3 in ones place here. And in tens place, we will subtract 0 from 1. So we get 1. So 13 is the difference of 17 and 4. G. 13 plus 5. So we add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 18 is the sum of 13 and 5. H. 14 minus 4. So subtracting 4 from 14. So we begin from ones place. Subtracting 4 from 4. What do we get? When you subtract any number from the same number, you get 0. Therefore 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we subtract 0 from 1. So we get 1. That is 10 is the difference of 14 and 4. I. We have to subtract 2 from 13, or 13 minus 2. So we subtract first 2 from 3 and we get 1. Here subtracting 0 from 1 we get 1. Therefore 11 is the difference of 13 and 2. J. Subtracting 5 from 15. So we begin from ones place. 5 minus 5 is 0. Let's write 0 in ones place here. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Now let us move to the next question of this revision exercise. Question number 2. Subtract 5 from 16 on the number line. Write the answer in the box. Dear children, we have learned how to use a number line for adding and subtracting numbers. Here in this question, we have to subtract 5 from 16 using the number line. So how do we do that? Yes, please recall. So first we have to locate the first number. In this expression we have 16 minus 5. 16 is the first number. So we have to find this number on the number line. Let us do that now. So if you go on searching starting from left end, so you will find the number 16 here on the number line. So let me make a mark by underlining this. So we have the number 16 here, and after finding this number, what we should do, since we have minus sign here, that means we have to subtract the second number from the first number. So while subtracting, starting from the first number that we have located, so we have to move towards left, isn't it? While adding from the first number, we will move towards right to add the other number. To subtract a given number from another number, we move towards left of a given number. So here we will move towards left. So how many steps you should take? We should take 5 steps towards left. Let us do that now. Starting from 16, let us move 5 steps towards left. Let's count and move. Starting from 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Let us stop here. 5 steps we have moved. 5 steps or 5 jumps towards left, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on taking 5 steps towards left, which number did we reach? Yes, we reached 11. Therefore 11 is the required answer. So we have circled the answer or the difference we get. Also we should write this number in this box. A box is given and we are instructed to write the answer in the box. Write the answer in the box, it's given here. So we should write the answer we get in the box. So let us write 11 in this box also. 11. That is 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Now let us move to the next question. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 3. Add 4 to 11 using the number line. Ring the answer you reach. Here we have to add the number 4 to 11 using this number line, and after finding the answer we have to ring the answer. So how to add 4 to 11 using number line? Yes, first we have to locate or find the number 11 on the number line. So where is the number 11 on the number line? Yes, if you look from left, if you go on observing these numbers, you will find the number 11 here. So let us make a mark by underlining that. Yes, we have found the number 11 on the number line. After finding this number, so we have to add 4 to it. So how to add 4? Yes, starting from number 11, we have to take 4 jumps towards right because we are adding. While subtracting, we will take jumps towards left. And while adding, we will take jumps towards right, which is very important. You should remember that. So now to add 4 to 11, we will make 4 jumps towards right from 11. Let us mark and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have made 4 jumps towards right. And which number did we reach? Yes, we have reached the number 15. Let us ring this answer. 15 is the answer in this case. So the same may be written in terms of numbers and symbols as 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. This is what we have done using this number line now. We have added the number 4 to 11 and we have obtained 15 as sum. So this is how we can make use of a number line to add the given numbers or to subtract the given numbers. I hope you understood all these methods of adding and subtracting using number lines, and even without using number lines by writing the numbers vertically or one below the other. Still we have some more problems in this exercise. Let us solve those in the next video session. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.